Hi there, I'm Martin van Stel, the GM from Mentech Technology USA. We're a direct subsidiary of Dongguan Mentech Optical and Magnetic Company. And I would like to wish you welcome to APEC 2021. I wish we could meet in person, but regardless, we're happy to connect virtually. Our booth is packed with interesting information on the company and products, and we hope you take the time to approach any of our booth members to discuss any potential projects or issues you may have that maybe we can help with. Don't forget to scan your badge. When you scan your badge, it gives us the opportunity to contact you back with regards to any discussions we have had. And on top of that, you can win an Apple Watch today and also another draw tomorrow. So that's kind of nice. This presentation will be a very brief overview of Mentech as a company, but there are other presentations and resources in our booth for more detailed information on products and services. So please have a look there. We keep these presentations pretty short because we want you to stay till the end. So this one is also just about 5-6 minutes. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed the show. So without further ado, let's get into the presentation. So first of all, Mentech is growing globally a lot. In the US, we have 2 locations now. We are in Germany, we're in Brazil, we're in Singapore. We're setting up manufacturing in Vietnam. And obviously in Asia and China, we're in many different locations supporting all our customers there and all the EMS type manufacturing. So we believe that this network will still continue to grow over the next couple of years. We still believe we need to be in more locations closer to our customers, make sure we can give them the best service that they deserve. Then for Mentech itself, there's actually 6 key locations. You got Mentech Bijiang, you got the headquarters in Dongguan, you got 2 R&D centers, one in Shenzhen and one in Wuhan. And then we have Mentech US and Vietnam manufacturing. Now the headquarters in Dongguan, I want to spend a little bit more time on. The picture here is still an artist impression, but about 70 to 80% of that is actually already built. We're already working in this building. It's our new campus. We're very proud of it. It gives us an extra 60,000 square meter manufacturing space. Yeah, please come and pay us a visit if you can. You're more than welcome to have a look around, and we can show you some of our capabilities. Then in Mentech, Mentech Shenzhen is our Shenzhen R&D center. That's mainly focused on all magnetic and power products. So the reason we did that is to be able to attract really top talent to come and work with Mentech. We believe that it was better to have an R&D center in Shenzhen, who is continuously supporting our headquarters in Dongguan. So in terms of products, we have 6 groups. We have the electronic product group, the optical group, the energy equipment group, consumer power supply, microelectronics, and tooling and metal parts. Now the tooling and metal parts is just an internal vertical integration of our supply chain. A little bit the same with microelectronics. Then the consumer power is a relatively new department of about 5 to 6 years, where we make wall mount chargers, desktop chargers, travel chargers, PD chargers, QC wireless chargers, anything you can think of. We have a very broad standard component line, but we also do a lot of customization. So if you have a need for that, please contact us. The energy equipment group, I will not spend too much time on, but it's basically a power conversion group. We build power conversion units for solar and wind energy. Some of our key customers are China Telecom there. We have the optical group where we build OSA, PON transceivers, AOC transceivers, active optical cables. And then the electronic department, which is of course why we're here at APEC. And then of course for the electronic department, there's also split in a couple of groups. We have the telecom area, we have the automotive area, we have power, we're APEC, and we have inductor group. So there on the left is probably most of your interest. We have a lot of additional information on our booth in terms of product selection guides, some brochures. But yeah, still, anything you need, please speak to some of our booth members, and we help you out with anything you may need. These are just some of our applications that we focus on in the magnetic component group, or in the power or telecom group. So in switches, router hubs, modems, laptops, of course, multimedia players, digital set-top boxes, modular power supplies, adapters, and now we make our own adapters as well. So that's also a form of vertical integration into Mentech. The optical side, I will not spend too much time on. That's not relevant down here, but we still want to highlight it a little bit, because it gives you kind of an idea how broad our capabilities are. And even though these groups are very diverse, they work very closely together. Then we have the power supply, consumer power supply group. By the way, every product you see online here today is designed in-house and built in-house, and they all carry the MNC brand. MNC is our brand, Mentech is the name of the company. Then I want to highlight a little bit about automation. Mentech started automation quite some time ago, because we knew that was the only way to go. This is our power supply line. We roughly do about 6.5 million per month, pieces per month, with very little operators, only about 6 operators per line. And we're globally certified, we ship worldwide. Now, the reason we wanted to highlight this is this is kind of where Mentech is as a company. We try to automate everything we can, and we have been doing that for many years now. I think normally these lines would have like 80 to 100 people in it, not so long ago. And maybe some of these lines still run like this. Not at Mentech. We deliver high quality products, just 6 operators, but it's a very repeatable process. So we deliver some of the highest quality in the industry. The same with our quality setup in general. Mentech is very focused on quality. Our system rivals any quality system around the world. We are proud of that, and we continue to improve on that, so that we not only deliver quality products, but also our processes are of a very high standard. Then if you have a manufacturing house like Mentech, the size it is, you need to have your own lab, so you can do your own qualification, your own testing, which is especially important in early development of various projects. So we couldn't do without this. With this, we're much faster to market, much faster reaction to any customer request. And it's a fully qualified lab. Then roughly our company is about a $200 million US dollar company. Our main areas are, of course, the electronic side and the optical side. But we have the energy equipment, the power, and the fiber optic sensor area that's growing markets and will continue to grow over the next couple of years. We believe that optical might catch up with electronics, so it will become roughly the same size in maybe 2-3 years. And these are some of our customers. Obviously, we focus on magnetics here, but you can see these all the usual suspects are there. We work with many top companies around the world very closely for a very long time. So I can give you kind of an idea that Mentech is up there in terms of quality, service, and very competitive. So again, I appreciate your time to watch this presentation. There's some other presentations online that I highly encourage you to go and have a look at, and which dig a little bit deeper into the product side of things. And then if you have questions, please talk to us. We're here. I believe there's about 5 of us in the booth today and tomorrow, and some R&D teams, some business development teams. So we're pretty sure we can answer all your questions and hopefully work together on some new projects now or in the future. So I would like to again welcome you to APEC 2021, and we hope you have a great show.